Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Study enthusiastic and happy, right? Before entering the introductory lesson, I am Eva Putri Agustin. You can call me Mrs. Eva. Before starting today's lesson, it will be better if we pray first. Praying begins. Praying is first. There are not enough words to pray. Okay, student, I will be there first. Is anyone absent today?
Azalia, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I hope Azalia will sound. Okay, so does anyone still remember what material we studied yesterday? Does anyone still remember? We study material related to male reproductive organ. Here we are studying related to organ. Anyone know or not? Okay, wait. And will send my PPT. So there's a picture here. What do you think is going on this picture? Anybody know? Okay, I'm repeat. There's a picture here. What do you think is going on this picture? Anybody know?
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I think the presentation doesn't pop up in our room meeting right now, ma'am.
Yes, in the picture there is a girl who is experiencing stomach cramps. How you ever experienced stomach cramp like this? Hello guys. How you ever experienced stomach cramp like this? Oh, okay. So where does this have anything to do with the calendar? This calendar? Anybody know? Does anyone have an opinion? What do you think? What do you think, guys?
Menstrual cycles, ma'am.
Yes, the answer is because there is something called a cycle, and the cycle is called the menstrual cycle. So, do you know what material we will study today? Okay, the material we will study today about the menstrual cycle in woman. Okay, before discussing this material in more depth, I will hold a pretest to find out your initial knowledge first. Please scan the code on this screen. How is that possible? Anything's in right? If so, I will immediately start the quiz. I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, I will share screen. This is some question for pretest menstrual cycle. Okay, team is almost over. Because you have done the quiz regarding today's material, so you can get a little idea, right? What are we going to learn in this material? The learning objective first details the definition of the menstrual cycle. Second, identifying the paths of menstruation. Third, analyze the hormones that play a role in the menstrual cycle. And the last, analyze the factors that cause menstrual cycle disorders. Next, well, I explanation a little about the menstrual cycle material. Understanding the menstrual cycle. Okay. Yuli, please read it. Yuli?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in here.
Yes, try Yuli, please read it.
Okay, the menstrual cycle is a process of continuous hormonal change and led to the formation of the endometrium, ovulation, as well as sending of the walls if pregnancy closed not occur.
Okay. So, menstruation is the discharge of blood from the vagina that occurs as a result of the monthly cycle. Next, menstrual pass. Try, Juwita, please read it.
So sorry, ma'am, I can see the share screen because our signal.
Okay. The menstrual cycle is regulated by hormones. Menstruation consists of four phases, namely one menstrual phase, second follicular phase or before the egg release, third ovulatory phase, release of the egg, and the last luteal phase, after the egg is released. Menstrual phase. In this phase, the uterine wall or endometrium will decay, causing blood and mucus to come out through the vagina. Last 3 second days. Okay, follicular phase. The follicular phase is one of the menstrual phases that occurs when the ovaries form follicle containing immature egg cells. This follicle can develop and stimulate thickening of the endometrial layer. Generally, the follicular phase occurs from the first day of the menstruation. Ovulatory phase. The ovulation phase or fertile period is the phase when the ovaries release mature egg cells. The egg is ready to be fertilized by sperm in the fallopian tube. However, if it is not fertilized, the egg will fuse within 24 hours after the ovulation phase, which is marked by the discharge of cervical mucus from the vagina. And the last, luteal phase. In the luteal phase, the egg will turn into a corpus luteum which can release reproductive hormones. These hormones can trigger thinning of the uterine wall. Okay, next. Hormones that influence the menstrual cycle. Hormone estrogen, progesterone, follicle stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone. The hormone estrogen is a hormone that continually increases out the 2 years first week of the menstrual cycle. Estrogen promotes well thickening uterus or endometrium. Estrogen also causes changes in properties and amount of cervical mucus. And progesterone is a hormone produced during the mid-late cycle menstruation. Progesterone prepares the uterus to allow eggs that has been fertilized to attack and develop. If pregnancy is not occurs, progesterone levels will fall and the uterus will help its walls, cause menstrual bleeding. And follicular stimulating hormone mainly function to stimulate the growth of an ovarian follicle. A small cyst inside the ovary closes the egg. And the last, luteinizing hormone. The luteinizing hormone is a hormone released in the brain and responsible for the release of an egg from the ovary or ovulation. Ovulation usually occurs about 36 hours after the luteinizing hormone increase. Ovulation prediction tool tests for increased LH levels. The last, factors causing menstrual cycle disorders. There are several factors that cause cycle disorders menstruation, namely hormones. Hormones in a woman's body, especially the balance of the hormones estrogen and progesterone, greatly influence whether the menstrual cycle is regular or not. Second, the nutritional status. Nutritional status affects the menstrual cycle. If a woman with a thin nutritional status, fat tissue, which is also a source of low estrogen, will produce low estrogen, causing disruption to the menstrual cycle. And the last, stress levels. Stress stimulates the hypothalamus, pituitary, adrenal cortex axis, so that the hormone cortisol is produced. The cortisol hormone causes hormonal events, including reproductive hormones, thus affecting the menstrual cycle. Okay. So, from explanation, is there anything that is not clear, or is there anything you have question about? Okay, factor causing menstrual cycle disorder is finished. Next, length of the fertile cycle. The length of the fertile cycle can vary for each woman, but generally ranges from 6 to 14 days. For women with a 28-day menstrual cycle, the fertile period usually occurs around the 14th day. How to calculate the fertile period? Three ways, namely calendar method, basal body temperature method, and ovulation test. Knowing your fertile period can help women who want to get pregnant or avoid pregnancy. Having sexual intercourse during the fertile period will increase the chance of pregnancy. Okay. The next, PMS or premenstrual syndrome. Understanding PMS. Premenstrual syndrome or premenstrual syndrome is a collection of physical or emotional and behavioral symptoms that women experience 1 to 2 weeks before menstruation. These symptoms usually subside once menstruation begins. PMS symptoms, physical symptoms, emotional symptoms, and behavioral symptoms. The physical symptoms, namely breast pain, mastopathy, bloating, abdominal pain, headache, fatigue, constipation or diarrhea, pimple, and increased appetite. And emotional symptoms, easy to get angry, depression, worried, tension, difficulty concentrating, cry, and loss of interest in activities. And the last, behavioral symptoms, namely isolate yourself, hard to sleep, and loss of interest in sex. PMS management, lifestyle change. Eat healthy and balanced food. Exercise regularly. Manage stress well. Enough sleep. Limit caffeine and alcohol consumption. And drugs, namely pain relievers such as ibuprofen or paracetamol, can help relieve breast pain and headache. Diuretics can help reduce bloating and swelling. Birth control pills can help regulate the menstrual cycle and relieve PMS symptoms, and antidepressants can help relieve the emotional symptoms of PMS. Okay, this is video from YouTube about the menstrual cycle. Let's watch it.
Okay, the video is finished. Thank you for listening.
We will play a team game tournament. Okay, before that, I will form group first. For the member of this group, Juwita and Faizatus, the team 2 Maheswari and Karisma, and the team 3 Daryl and Cynthia. Okay. Okay. Well, before that, I will explanation the rules of this game. So, you have been formed into three groups. Later, I will distribute worksheet to you. Please do them and discuss them together with the group members. Whoever is correct and quick in finishing to the end and get the highest point, then that group will be the winner and will get a gift from me. Okay? Can be understood? Can be understood, guys? Okay, if you can understand it, please enter and scan the code of the screen. Don't forget to for each team only. I remember will enter and write down which group. So in total there will be three groups that will compete and later the problems that arise will be discussed together. With his group members, that's how it's it. Okay, please, if everyone has entered and joined. Okay. Okay, come on, another one. Come on. Come on, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Daryl, don't play. Wait.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes. Come on. Another. Okay. Okay. I will start this. I will start this match immediately. Get ready. Okay, let's get started, guys. Wow, Yuli. Okay, guys. Keep it out. Daryl is later among the others. Come on, guys, cheer up. Come on. Wow.
I will show my LKPD or worksheet in my game. I use Wizard. Submit. Tap the road. 5. Okay, I will walk to 5, number 5. And next to the question. And next to the new question. And so on until the finish. So on until the finish. Yes.
Come on, guys, cheer up. Come on, cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. Wow, Himas is on fire. We will reverse. Cheer up, guys, cheer up. Okay, hooray! Because they have reached the finish, so the winner is the group Himas group. Okay, give applause. Okay, because our lesson time has ended, does anyone want to think about our learning today? Maybe it could be related to today's learning reflection. Does anyone want to think about our learning today? Okay, Daryl.
So today I learned about the menstrual cycle that a male doesn't have. It's like a special or something exclusive to female. And I learned that the menstrual cycle is very complicated because I don't experience it by myself, so I know a lot more about it.
Okay, thank you, Daryl, for your answer. Okay, guys, I will continue my presentation and reinforcement as well as giving prize to the winning groups at the next meeting. So for the next meeting, we will continue with this material cycle, with this menstrual cycle material. Okay, that's all for me. More or less, I apologize. Until we meet at the next meeting, stay happy and don't forget to always take care of your health. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.